Hello and welcome to another update video about Kaspa. Kaspa broke above resistance. That makes us consider now something more bullish. However, it's too early to really confirm it. Remember that in previous videos we were looking for potentially another high here in a wave 5 of wave C of wave B, which could then eventually result here in a C wave down. Yeah, A wave down, B wave up, C wave down in a 3-wave correction in a wave 4, A, B, C. That one more high happened. It got quite extended, to be honest. And what I have to highlight to you is that I want to leave the wave count as it is for now. But we also talked about that if we get a break above resistance here, 4.7 cents, we might have to consider that this third wave is still in the making. Not going to change anything yet. It's too early for that. So not really anything changed. Just like I make this video because a lot of people asked me for an update. I cannot clearly say that we continue with the third wave right now. First of all, we're still below the trend channel, so we might just get a rejection there, a retest of the channel from below. Also, bear in mind that the A wave of this ABC correction was a 3-wave structure. So while this here is the standard resistance for the B wave, B waves can overshoot, especially when the A wave was a 3-wave move and not a 5-wave move. That's just the rule in Elliott wave. They tend to overshoot, and especially when we're dealing with a so-called flat structure, which often happens in a wave 4. But the thing is, you can never, let's say, predict overshooting B waves. You can simply point out the potential that B waves can overshoot. Yeah. So at the moment, I cannot confirm that the third wave is still running. It's simply a possibility, a potential. And I would still leave the B wave on the chart. But next resistance is very clearly the lower boundary line of the ascending price channel, as well as the previous high, which is, I think, the all-time high, isn't it? Which is at 5.1 cents. Now, looking at the bigger picture, we have to understand that this chart is moving in diagonal structures. Or as a large diagonal. So I think this is still unfolding as a diagonal. One more high would eventually still be expected, but my view is that the wave 4 might be running right now with this support area here, all the way down to 1.12 cents, but it doesn't need to go down that low. We've got support at 2.9 cents, 2.02 cents, and 1.5 cents. Let's see if we get there. But for now, the short-term trend is up, and if we can get a sustained break above the 5.2 cent level, the all-time high, then the third wave to the upside might still be running. Then this was not yet a fourth wave pullback, okay? But it's too early to confirm it. Overall, I'm still looking for higher generally here on the Kaspa chart, yeah, as per the wave count here in yellow with the fifth wave unfolding. But we also need to understand that diagonal structures, they are really, really difficult. So they are not the highest probability charts for wave counts. If I had a choice, well, I have a choice, but you know, if I wouldn't normally chart this one. I simply do it because I get so many requests about Kaspa. Because it's moving in corrective structures. Yeah, you don't really like these as an Elliott wave analyst, because you're always looking for impulses. Now, there is no impulse on this chart. We're only dealing with corrective structures, and also the chart history is fairly short. So it is sort of prone to changes. Yeah, that's just what everybody needs to understand. It's just the nature of it. But yeah, at the moment, I'm still considering this as a high B wave that is unfolding here. Okay, so we just need to... the only thing I might need to do is to change the microstructures within this ABC structure higher of wave B. Yeah? But I'll leave everything there for now, because what could be the case is that this was an A wave, this was the B wave, maybe even as a triangle, and now the C wave is pushing higher in a 3-wave move of wave B. But for now, I just leave everything as it is. It doesn't make a difference. We need to wait for a signal that things are coming down, or a break above 5.2 cents. But even then, it could be a B wave because it's overshooting, okay? So it will be the next deeper pullback that will tell us the truth. At the moment, I don't see anything, anything that, you know, requires any action from anyone, I would say. I mean, it depends on you what your strategy is, but I don't think there is anything happening here other than continuation of the uptrend. There's no pullback zone or anything that we could deal with for a low risk, high reward uptrend trade or something. I would pay attention, however, to this, you could say, resistance cluster here. We've got the 5.2 cent level, which is the all-time high, and the lower boundary line of the trend channel. Maybe it gets respected, so as resistance up there, yeah? Yeah, that's my update about Kaspa. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.